Hey there, nature enthusiasts! Welcome back to HealWise, your favorite channel for all things natural and healthy. I'm Joe, your guide on this aromatic journey. Today, we're cracking the case of the elusive spice known as turmeric. This little yellow powder might just be the superhero your body didn't know it needed. And stick around until the end for a bonus recipe, a simple turmeric tea you can whip up at home. Turmeric, aka the golden spice, has long been celebrated in traditional medicine, particularly in Ayurveda and Chinese medicine. This vibrant yellow-orange spice, derived from the root of the curcuma longa plant, is more than just a kitchen staple for flavoring curries. Its medicinal properties, particularly its anti-inflammatory benefits, have garnered significant attention from the scientific community. It's packed with curcumin. And no, that's not a new dance craze. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. It's like having a tiny firefighter in your body, putting out the flames of inflammation. But how? Inflammation is a natural process that helps the body fight off harmful invaders and repair damage. However, chronic inflammation can lead to a host of health problems, including heart disease, cancer, metabolic syndrome, Alzheimer's disease, and various degenerative conditions. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory effects are so strong that it matches the effectiveness of some anti-inflammatory drugs without the side effects. One of the main ways it does this is by suppressing the activity of NF-κB, a molecule that travels into the nuclei of cells and turns on genes related to inflammation. By blocking NF-κB, curcumin helps reduce inflammation at a molecular level. Got joint pain? Turmeric's got your back, literally. It swoops in like a superhero, reducing swelling faster than you can say, arthritis relief. Arthritis is characterized by inflammation of the joints, and curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties make it a natural choice for managing this condition. Studies have shown that curcumin can reduce joint pain and improve function in people with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, often performing as well as anti-inflammatory medications. And it doesn't stop there. Turmeric is like that friend who's good at everything. Antioxidant boost. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant that can neutralize free radicals, which are reactive molecules that can cause oxidative damage to cells and contribute to aging and diseases. Heart health. Curcumin improves the function of the endothelium, the lining of blood vessels, helping regulate blood pressure and blood clotting. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties also contribute to heart health. Brain function. Curcumin increases levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a growth hormone that functions in the brain. Low levels of BDNF are linked to brain disorders like depression and Alzheimer's disease. Cancer prevention. Research indicates that curcumin can reduce the growth of cancerous cells and inhibit the spread of tumors. And here's a fun fact. It also has potential in preventing cancers, particularly of the digestive system. It's like a tiny warrior, protecting your cells from harm. So, next time you're cooking, think of turmeric as your culinary sidekick, fighting inflammation, boosting your brain, and tasting great all at the same time. In other news, turmeric has been found guilty of making your food taste amazing. Whether it's in curry, smoothies, or even lattes, it's the golden ticket to Flavor Town. But wait, there's more! Ever heard of free radicals? No, they're not the latest punk band. They're pesky molecules that cause aging and diseases. Turmeric fights these off like a pro, thanks to its antioxidant properties. And don't worry, turmeric fits into so many recipes. It's like the Swiss Army knife of spices. Sprinkle it in your morning eggs, blend it into your post-workout smoothie, or mix it into a soothing bedtime latte. It's versatile, delicious, and ridiculously good for you. Remember, folks, turmeric is best enjoyed mixed in food, not straight from the jar. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. For enhanced absorption, pair turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, a natural substance that increases the absorption of curcumin by 2,000%. And now, as promised, here's a bonus recipe for a delicious and easy-to-make turmeric tea. Bring 1 cup of water to a boil. Add 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, and reduce the heat. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Strain the tea into a mug. Add 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup, squeeze in the lemon slice, and add a pinch of black pepper. Stir well and enjoy.